What's up, my Punkneos? Andy Vlogs, doing another vlog here for you. I'm testing another lavalier. A company reached out to me after I had tested the first lavalier, and they said, hey, we can do better. They've provided me for iPhone 12 Pro Max a lavalier that connects via lightning cable. I think it's really awesome. This is the Comica V01 SPMI. In other words, their lavalier edition for the iPhone. It's pretty straightforward. It kind of just all fell out. I plan on going to a Christmas kind of celebration-esque thing at the mall, and I'm going to bring this and kind of vlog it and basically show you guys here what to expect. Here's the lightning cable. You simply just plug it in and hook this up, and it'll provide you a lavalier. Now, you guys will be the ones to decide if the quality is good, and then I will share with you guys kind of that vlog with the family. We are here, family night, to have some fun. Yay! Susie's been upset. It's a little bit past her bedtime, and I've got something new here that I'm trying out. A little lavalier connected to my iPhone. We'll see how it sounds. You tell me how it sounds. The royal carriage is ready. Tootsie mana ootsie. Tootsie!
Oh, I found my mask!
My Tootsie! We're gonna go see something fun. You excited? You have no idea where we're at. Where does it look like we're at, boys? The outlets. There was a miscommunication. We forgot Doherty's mask. It's okay. We're gonna head over to Under Armour because Tona really loves Under Armour, and we're gonna see what they've got there. Oh, thanks, Tona. Tona found him a mask. That's so nice of you. This company's providing them complimentary. This is without it, and we are coming upon the special surprise. We're gonna walk all the way down here and show you why we came here. You have any idea what it is? You'll never know. Tootsie! Ah. Yeah, huh? Where are you going, Sue? Crazy girl. Do you see it? Do you see it? Look! There it is! The gigantic tree! Look at the surprise! It's right there! The thing is gigantor. Do you see? Look, Suze. I can't fit it. I can't fit the tree in my hole. Maybe I have to get down lower. I still can't fit it. Oh, barely. Whoa, this is huge. These are like as big as my brain. Look at this. This thing is gigantic. So gigantic. Oh, Merry Christmas, everyone.
Are you videoing on my phone?
We've been coming here for a couple of years now. We live close in the area, so it's easier to get over here. And then we like to go shop at the shops here, but not a lot of them are really doing any deals right now. Santa's usually around here, but I guess because of COVID, he's got limited hours. Poor Santa. Maybe we'll have to wait till Christmas until we see Santa. All right, Punkneos, thank you so much for watching. The lavalier is not too bad. It's not like that Fifine where it peaked really high and then came down the more you talked. However, I feel like the EQ on this is too high. It's a few decimals too high. So there were some times where it would rub, and then when I talk like down, when I'd look down at my kids, it would be too close to the mic, and then it would peak. Nonetheless, I think it's a very, very good alternative if you're looking to do kind of interview style videos with your iPhone, if you're on site reporting, if you're doing in the house around a roundabout and you need something portable. This is definitely a very good option. Nonetheless, guys, thank you so much for watching. My name is Andy. This is Andy Vlog, signing out.